Wow, what a beautiful country. I love travelling the world. You get to see so many... Oh, the maker phone's ringing, excuse me. Oh, it's Tocky. Hello.
It's Minute Make Time in the UK.
I'm on my way. Oh, here we go. It's Minute Make Time! And today we're going to make... Oh, it's my lunch. Oh, I won't be long, everyone. Oh, that was lovely. Sorry about that, everyone. But do you know what? This has given me a great idea. We can use this paper bag to make this. It's a paper bag house. And we can make it in just 1 minute by using these arty things. Let's have a look. Of course, we've got a paper bag. We have a glue stick. We've got some tissue, some coloured card, a little sticker there, and a pen. Now, do you think it's possible to make this paper bag house in just 1 minute?
No way!
Oh, really? Well, I think I can. I'm going to have to be very quick, but don't worry. I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's make it in a minute.
3, 2, 1!
Start the clock. Right, we're going to bring in our bag and our tissue paper, and we stuff the tissue inside the bag like that. Now let's get our card, and we're going to fold it in half, and then take a pen and draw on some curvy shapes like this. Now, this is going to be the roof on our paper bag house. There we go, we've drawn that. Now, this purple bit of card will make a nice door, and I'm going to draw a cross on this blue card to make a window. Right, let's bring in a sticker now for a doorknob. There we go, and let's get some glue. Right, let's turn everything over and put on lots of glue. Some glue on there, a bit more glue here, a bit of glue on the window, and some glue there for the roof. Right, let's stick everything on. Let's stick on the door. There we go. Let's stick on a window, and of course, a roof. And I've just built a paper bag house. I built a house in just 1 minute. But if you've got more than a minute, you could try all sorts of ideas.
How about trying a row of terraced cottages using different coloured bags?
Or you could even try making this haunted cricket house made from a tall bag with spooky windows and a wonky chimney. Paper bag houses made in just 1 minute. Why don't you try it? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Stuff a paper bag with scrunched up tissue, draw tiles on another piece of card, then draw a window on the rectangle piece of card and draw a cross onto a square piece of card. Add a sticker for the doorknob, glue the door, window and roof to the bag, and your paper bag house is finished.
Why don't you try and make it in just 1 minute? And thank you, everyone, for being part of another marvellous Minute Maid!
Yeah! Make it, Mr. Maker! Mr. Maker!